Looking for a quick escape? Check out the best day trips from Boracay, where nature, history, and unique experiences come together for a perfect outing.
Remember that you have the links to all the activities in the description.
Island hopping, itinerary, season, Habagat, June-November. Embark on an exhilarating 5.5-hour island hopping boat tour through Boracay's stunning landscape. Combining adventure and relaxation, this journey allows guests to explore a variety of captivating locations, including Crystal Cove Island, Crocodile Island, Magic Island, Puka Beach, and Bowlinghai Beach. Boracay is an esteemed destination within the Philippines, renowned as a premier choice for both summer retreats and beach vacations. Its diverse array of pristine beaches, adorned with untouched sands, and vibrant marine life under the mesmerizing gaze of crystalline waters, make it an ideal location for travelers seeking respite and adventure. Embark on an exhilarating island-hopping expedition from Bolobog Beach aboard our state-of-the-art vessel. Your journey begins with a guided tour that encompasses breathtaking vistas, serene beaches, and vibrant marine life.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.